How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing bass fishing on a budget, basically. So I'm here at PublicLands. I'm going to go in there, get a pretty cheap fishing pole, one or two different types of baits, and we're going to get out on the water and do some bass fishing. Basically, I just want to showcase how inexpensive this hobby can be. It doesn't need to be that complicated. You don't need the top of the line gear to start. Some of the gear would be nice, certainly, but some of it's not really that needed once you're starting out. So let's get inside, let's pick out a new rod, some baits, and let's get out on the water. So yeah, you can find pretty good deals in here, and $100. So here we're looking for a new bait. Let's see. Definitely probably want to use green guys. So yeah, right here, $14.99. You get a set of 3. You should work well out there. So yeah, as you can see, pretty inexpensive, and you can go pretty much wild in here. You can go anywhere from $100 up to $300, $400, $500. Like, let's just check out some of these different reels they got here. So yeah, you don't need any of that. Too expensive. I mean, it sure would be nice, but Jesus Christ, $3.99. All right, so we made it to one of my, I guess, favorite spots that I like to come out here and fish when I don't really have a lot of time, but I just want to get some practice in or just want to hang out for like 2 hours. So yeah, we got our budget fishing rod, and then we were gonna throw around this little like frog popper that we picked up. Pretty expensive. All in all, the rod is about $120 after tax. This was about $14. We're also gonna probably throw around the wacky rig or a Texas rig. They're little small little fake worms. Plastic bait's pretty inexpensive as well, but for the most part, that's pretty much the only thing we will be throwing around. Maybe a jig, but we'll see. But yeah. All right, let's try and flip this jig. Ooh, check out that snake. Getting bit right here. Oh, that was a bite. Let's see if we get anything. We're gonna check out this pond right over here. And see what's cooking. So yeah, obviously this is like close to UVA, close to everything. That's why I like coming here. Obviously it's a resort, so I tend to like to shy out of people's way, so that way I'm not bothering anyone. Because the Bass Pro Shop guy did tell me today that they have had issues with people over here, so we're gonna try to stay out of people's way. But I've been coming here for a while, and I know there's big bass in here. That's why I keep coming. That's why I keep coming here. And like I said earlier, it's super close to everything. Oh, look at that. Nice turtle. Let's see what's over here. Mr. Turtle. Let's check what's right over here. Just got bit again. Oop, and we got one. First one of the day. Oop. There you are. All right, first one of the day. Nice little guy. But yeah, see, told you. As long as you're walking around, got the hook out, it's pretty cheap, pretty fun hobby, I'd say. Let's go ahead and release that guy, send him home. That's what it's all about. All right, guys, well, that'll do it for this video. Like I said, this hobby is pretty inexpensive to get into. If you really want to, a little bit of cash will certainly take you a long way. But with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.